Hi, I have a strange situation. I moved into a new apartment last year. Apartment building, only old people. Then about 6 months ago, but moved in below me. In the course of the first 3 months, she often complained about my alarm clock. It goes off at 6:30. It's an Alexa on volume 6 that she doesn't want to wake up so early in the morning, etc. She then also reported me to the landlord, whereupon I got an annoying call from the landlord that I should stick to the quiet times, 22 to 7, which I did. But now to the actual problem. For about 1 month, she seems to have a boyfriend, and they fuck all the time. Sometimes at 18 o'clock, then at 21 o'clock, and then again at 2 o'clock. But also sometimes on Monday morning at 4:30 a.m. They are very loud, either moaning loud, either she moans so loudly that I can't close my eyes. I can't get a wink of sleep, and the volume is as if she were lying next to me, or he pushes half the bed, the room, and the bed bangs against the wall every 2 seconds. The bed against the wall. Unfortunately, the last few days they are more likely to happen at night. For example, right now, you can't just ring the doorbell and complain.